Can I schedule tasks to occur at specific times? Of course, why have a cloud-based remote management tool if you can't schedule tasks for specific times? With Digi Remote Manager, it's as simple as a few clicks, and here's how. Start by creating a new automation. Use a unique name, and then put in the description that makes sense. Now you get a couple of options to reject, allow, or cancel during the maintenance window or during the debug session. Save and continue after those choices are made. We'll remove the ping and add a reboot. Choose what groups of devices you want to apply this automation to. You may add it to multiple groups. You may go looking for devices that have specific tags, or you may want to individually select the devices. Next, you'll want to set up the schedule. Click on the calendar and make your choices. So maybe you want this to happen on Sunday at midnight, and then repeat, say, once a week, and then you could put in a stop. So here, we've scheduled it to run Sundays at midnight in perpetuity to reboot these devices. And there you have it, a scheduled task.